Next by Nature.
Check 1 2, y'all. This is your boy Uncle Vin Rock. We are live from undisclosed locations. Matter of fact, we're in Jersey City, New Jersey. Big shout to Jersey City. It was the headquarters of Flavor Unit, man. We're here on the set of That's Me and what's the other one? All of You. We banging out two videos, man, back to back on this Next by Nature project, yo. Fresh off the stage, we did the Slug of Wellmont concert series joint at the Wellmont Theater last night. We're still working, man. We're still working. This is what we do, yo. Thanks for the love and support. We got 10 boys next are back there. There's some women back there. They're scantily clad. I can't show you that yet, but stay tuned. You'll see when the product is finished, okay?
We know.
I've been watching what you post on the gram, thinking if I could get you right here in my hands. And I be reading every single little caption. You be talking about action, baby, is it real, no capping? Got me looking at your pictures like wowza. Even almost put my hands in my trousers. Do you even know what I do to you? If I got my hands on that, I left my contact in your DM. Hit me up sometime in the PM.
Where's the Slugger bikes, man?
Nah, I don't have any today. I ain't falling this time anyway.
Yeah. I think you fell over nothing too.
I actually did. It was crazy. That's the thing. Yeah. That was the Daniel Jones fall. Remember Daniel Jones was running? Flashback to it. You'll see it.
You want your legs open, buzzing from the portion. Kitty wetter than the ocean. And that's me, that's me, that's me. Baby, that's me. If you like a little dirty talk, want the kill, let 'em murder you. Talk that when I'm serving you. That's me, that's me, that's me. Baby, that's me. I can tell you like the freaking talk. Hit me up, girl, we could talk. FaceTime, you can take it off. We can meet somewhere local. I go local for that coco. And baby, I aim to please. Shot between the leaves. If you need somebody around, we can lay it down. Just shout me out and I'm coming now. You ain't gotta act all shame out. Wanna hear you calling my name out. And you can put your hands on the crown. Girl, just call me right now. If you want your legs open, buzzing from the Porsche. Kitty wetter than the ocean. And that's me, that's me, that's me. Baby, that's me.
Me first to get out the way so I can change it.
You know what? That makes sense. Okay, let's do that. Let me get it.
That's me, that's me.
Yeah.
That's me. Baby, that's me.
Check. Baby, that's me, you should know that. I advise you, leave your clothes at the doormat. Kiss around the spot where the water gonna flow at. I'm naughty by nature, so Jersey like a throwback. Now bend it over, let it throw back. Bully in the bed, when I'm done, you won't go back. Dealing with them lames, double law on the floor mat. And the finer things, diamond rings where the glow at. No keys, mom, we push buttons. OG, yo, we kush puffin'. You know I aim to please. Now talk that while I'm pushing in your.
If you
now
want your
that's
legs
me.
open, buzzing from the portion. Kitty wetter than the ocean. And that's me, that's me, that's me. Baby, that's me. If you like a little dirty talk, want the kill, let 'em murder you. Talk that when I'm serving you. That's me, that's me.
Like, I'm coming from the year so-and-so. And he was like, I'm telling you now, I get it. It was all about this and all of that. He was like, but now it's, you know, and you gotta.
Shoot, in the session, you better check your pockets. Like, yo, can I even afford this? That's the new dance. Can I afford this?
That's me, that's me, that's me. Baby, that's me.